Twitter, we are back. We're not on Twitter. We're on YouTube. Right? Okay, we can grab this stuff out. Alright, so today I'm with my wife Amy, and we are trying the new chicken tenders from Wendy's. Here's a look at the box. She was just saying they look extra crispy. There you go. You got it? She's a natural. They also have this new Sawsum sauce. So what we're going to do is try it first without the sauce, and then we'll dip it. Got one? Cheers. Nice.
It's got good flavor though. It's juicy enough, okay? It's not dry.
I like it. So it's a little more breaded than the ones from McDonald's, but I like that. The meat's pretty juicy, right? Mm-hmm. There's spices inside the breading that they really kind of pop for you. Let's see. It looks like good meat. It tastes pretty clean, right? It doesn't taste real greasy.
Yeah, it's not, you're not waiting for that weird little chicken.
You got
giblet, gizzard, whatever it is.
It's not making my hand greasy. So, all right, let's try it with the sauce. This is Sawsum sauce from Wendy's.
It's like barbecue-y. Smoky barbecue-y. Kind of smells like ketchup, but when you bite into it, it's like a barbecue, smoky barbecue.
I like it. The sauce is really good. It tastes like barbecue sauce, but it's like a lighter version of barbecue sauce.
It's not tangy, like you normally get that tang.
It doesn't have that over, like, whoa. It almost tastes like maybe barbecue sauce and mayo mixed together, where it just kind of is diluted barbecue sauce. But because the chicken tenders are so good, it makes the sauce really good as well. What do you think?
I agree. I like it.
I like it too. I think that price-wise, for a 3-piece meal with french fries and a drink is $5. For a 3-piece without no fries, without no drink is how much?
$3.49.
$3.49. So deal-wise, price-wise, I think it's a really good value. It looks good. It doesn't feel real greasy. In my opinion, new chicken tenders with the side of Sawsum sauce from Wendy's, I'm gonna give it a B. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know. I don't food grade.
Okay.
I just eat it.
Alright. So
if I didn't like it, I wouldn't eat it.
That means she agrees with me. So we're gonna give it a B for the Thick and Chunky show. I'd recommend it. Would you recommend it?
Yes.
Recommendations from the Thick and Chunky show and the wife.
Yeah.
One piece.
Oh. Are you taking
I'm gonna see if I can eat it in one bite.
Don't watch again.
That's wildly inappropriate. Wildly inappropriate.
I made it!
Chicken, grab it.
Mama, I made it!
That's how you're not gonna make it. Choke on that. Here's your Sawsum sauce.
Thank you.
Oh, did I give you all the sauces?
Yeah, I don't need them. I tried telling you that. You wouldn't listen. I need this one.